If you're considering Xero for your accounting needs, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. While it's a popular option in the market, especially for small businesses, it's important to weigh it against its competitors, like QuickBooks and FreshBooks. Stay tuned as we break down the 12 key factors you should consider. First up, Xero is known for its user-friendly interface, making it a solid choice for people who aren't accounting experts. Compared to QuickBooks, which some users find a bit more complex, Xero's design is clean and intuitive, ideal for beginners. However, it's not as fully featured as QuickBooks when it comes to advanced features like inventory management, so keep that in mind. Next thing, Xero's cloud-based platform means you can access your accounts from anywhere, which is fantastic for remote work or managing multiple businesses. Unlike FreshBooks, which also offers cloud access, Xero has a more robust set of features designed for scalability as your business grows. If you need something that grows with your company, Xero can handle that better than FreshBooks. The third thing to consider is pricing. Xero is competitively priced, but does offer multiple pricing tiers, which can be a bit confusing for new users. If you're just starting, it might seem like you're paying for features you don't need yet. QuickBooks, on the other hand, offers a more straightforward pricing structure, but with higher costs as you upgrade. If budget is a major concern, make sure you fully understand which plan suits you. Now, let's talk about integrations. Xero has an impressive list of integrations, supporting over 800 apps. This is a huge plus if you already use other software, as it works seamlessly with most tools, from CRMs to payment processors. FreshBooks doesn't offer quite as many integrations, so if that's important to you, Xero might be the better option. The fifth thing is invoicing. Xero's invoicing system is highly customizable and includes automatic payment reminders, which can save you a lot of time. However, QuickBooks offers slightly more advanced options, like recurring invoices for subscription-based businesses, so if that's a feature you need, it might be worth considering. The sixth thing to mention is reporting. Xero offers a range of reports, but for more detailed or complex reports, you may need a third-party tool. QuickBooks excels in this area, providing more advanced reporting features out of the box. For those who want in-depth data analysis without extra tools, QuickBooks might be the way to go. Next thing, if you're planning on growing your team, Xero allows you to add unlimited users at no additional cost, which can be a big win for growing businesses. FreshBooks charges extra for additional users, which can get expensive as your team expands. Xero offers more flexibility in this department. Another point to consider is customer support. While Xero offers 24/7 support via chat and phone, some users report slower response times compared to QuickBooks. If you need immediate assistance or prefer a more hands-on approach, QuickBooks might be a better fit in terms of support. The ninth thing is Xero's mobile app, which is decent but may not be as powerful as QuickBooks app. If you plan on doing a lot of accounting on the go, QuickBooks offers a more feature-rich mobile experience, including tracking miles and expenses directly from the app. The 10th thing to consider is bank reconciliation. Xero makes this process easy with automatic bank feeds and quick reconciliation. However, it's not as fast or as automated as QuickBooks, especially when it comes to complex transactions. If you have a lot of bank transactions to reconcile each month, QuickBooks could save you more time. Next, let's talk about scalability. Xero is built for growth and offers a range of features that support small businesses transitioning into mid-sized operations. If you're a freelancer or small business owner, FreshBooks might be easier to use, but as your business grows, Xero gives you the tools you need to scale. The 12th and final thing to know is security. Xero takes data protection seriously with two-factor authentication and data encryption. However, if you're in a highly regulated industry, QuickBooks offers additional security options to comply with stricter regulations, so you may want to evaluate your specific needs. So, is Xero a good option? Yes, absolutely. It's a great accounting tool for small to medium-sized businesses with solid features, a user-friendly interface, and strong scalability. But if you want a more robust solution